coming true. Say no more, mind them on the vibe. Yeah, you know.
Nah, rollers,
Alright guys, so today on Turbo Tyler we're going to be doing a video review on this. It's a Mk8.5 Fiesta ST. I'm really looking forward to getting out on this car because I've just drove here in my Mk6 Fiesta ST. And while they're both Fiesta STs, this is completely different. Under the hood it's got a 3-cylinder 1.5 turbo engine, 197 brake horsepower from factory, but it definitely feels like a lot more than that. So we'll have a quick look around the car, talk to the owner, and then we'll go out for a drive. Alright, so when you step into the interior of the Mk8.5 ST, you can definitely tell it's a lot different from previous generations of Fiestas. It comes with this really nice leather upholstered flat bottom steering wheel, really chunky, with the red stitching on the inside. You've got Apple CarPlay, all the dash is digital, and the best thing about the interior really is these seats. They're heated bucket seats, and they are really buckety and really do grip you around the corners, which is definitely needed in a car like this. So, as standard on these cars, you get that 3-cylinder 1.5 turbo, which will produce 197 brake horsepower, along with 320 newton-meters of torque, which is plenty for the car. And that's actually up from the 290 newton-meters of torque, which you get in the Mk8 Fiesta. So getting this one, you also get the facelift and an extra 30 newton-meters of torque. Alright guys, so this is the owner Klaud. Thanks for coming on the channel, man, I appreciate it.
No problem.
So what made you get a Mk8.5 ST then?
Just love my Fiestas, honestly. My first car was a Fiesta Mk6. I just love the way it handled, even though it was an ST. It just was a sick car to drive, yeah.
How long you had it for?
I had it for 5 months.
Yeah, enjoying it still?
Yeah,
then? No problems with it yet?
Not yet.
New car,
hopefully no problems. Yeah.
What sort of mods have you done to it then? Have you done anything yet, or?
All I've done is just an induction kit. That's it.
Yeah.
Induction kit. Planning on to do the stage 1 soon.
Okay. So what do they make on stage 1?
Stage 1 about 230 to 240 horsepower.
Yeah.
And torque is uplifted to about 350, 370 newton meters.
Okay. Yeah. And then on stage 2 it was with just an intercooler, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think intercooler, an extra bigger intercooler, and then you get about 260, 270, and then torque is about 380 probably at that point.
Yeah. All right. Cool then. All right. So we'll go out for driving it now then and see what it's like on the back roads.
Yeah, man.
Those brakes are small, but they're good.
Yeah.
Are you like, foot to the floor?
No.
Really?
Barely pressing them, yeah.
God, they're good. This thing's so much faster than you'd think for a 3-cylinder, man. So I'm in the driver's seat of the Mk8.5 now. Fuck, you hit limiter a lot faster than I thought I would. Might get a bit of air here. Oh, fucking hell. 6 want to shift into 6 if it wasn't going to be there. Man, the gears a lot shorter than I was expecting it to be. The gears in my Fiesta are quite long. Am I going straight? Yeah.
Yeah, just go straight.
I got distracted then. Fiesta so much more like than I used to, but this is just a different league compared to mine. This doesn't feel anything like mine at all. The only thing I could say feels somewhat similar is the steering feel. I really hope you can pick that blow up noise off on camera, man. I mean, to be fair, like for 320 newton meters of torque, that's quite a bit.
Watch me as I go.